Tackling the Windows 11's Driver PNP Stop Watchdog code? Stay tuned for 4 powerful fixes to bypass this hurdle. Type CMD on your search bar, right-click the command prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type the command below and hit Enter. This will prompt the System File Checker to scan all system files. SFC sa scano. Wait till the scanning process is over. At this juncture, restart your PC. All corrupt files are replaced. This should help solve the problem if this didn't do the trick. Let's proceed to the next solution. Press the Win key plus R key simultaneously, which will prompt the Run dialog box. Then, key in services.msc and press Enter. Set the startup type to automatic and set service status set to running. Then click Apply and OK to save your changes. Now, restart your PC. If this attempt didn't resolve the issue, let's move on to the next solution. Type CMD in your search bar, right-click the command prompt, then Run as Administrator. Click on Yes when the User Account Control window pops up. Type the following commands one after the other and press Enter after each one. Press Windows plus ETO, open the File Explorer, then go to the path below and rename Software Distribution to softwaredistribution.old. See Windows System 32. Also, navigate to the path below and rename catroot2 to catroot2 old. See Windows System 32. Catroot2. Open the command prompt window once more, then type the following commands and press Enter after each one. Exit the command prompt. If this fix didn't get the job done, let's go ahead and explore the next solution. Press the Win plus I keyboard shortcut to open the Windows Settings window. Select the System option on the right pane, then select the Recovery option on the left. Select Reset PC under Reset this PC. Select Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Take the latter as an example. Thanks for watching. Hope, hit like and subscribe.